Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is the third episode of the C# for Beginners course. In the last episode, we talked about outputs, showing things on the console, and printing out messages. In this video, we're going to talk about the opposite, which is actually getting your inputs, which is getting what you type, and gives more control over your console application. There are three ways of getting inputs from the system, like on the console application, which are the Console.Read, the Console.ReadKey, and the Console.ReadLine methods. We're going to start with the Console.Read. Console.Read method only reads one key but returns the numerical ASCII value of that key, so like the number behind the key. And to use it, you basically just type Console.Read. That's all. If you want, you can console out this read method to see what it returns. And if you check in your console, you see it returns the number of that key. And a quick tip, you can also convert the number back to a character, which is the letter it represents or the symbol, by adding char before the Console.Read method. That is going to convert the number which represents that letter back to its char, and you can see it in the console. Next is the read key method. The read key method does the same as the read method, but instead of returning only the number behind it, it returns like a package containing everything about that key that was pressed, whether it's the shift key was pressed, the alt key was pressed, whether it was capitalized or so. It returns a whole lot of values for one single key. And to use it in your editor, you basically just type Console.ReadKey, and if you print it out, you see it's returning something called the console key info. What this is the package that it returns. You can't read the store without actually getting each value of that console key info. So if you want, you can add a dot after the Console.Read method, and you can see every single property, the console key info of that key that was pressed. So we can just return the key char, which is the character of that key, and you can see when we press the key like S, it returns S back. The final input method is the readline method, and this is one you will use the most. What this does is that it captures whatever you type before you press the enter keyword. So if you are reading like a word, if you're typing a word or a sentence, until you press the enter keyword, it will be saving whatever key you type. So once you press the enter keyword, it's gonna capture that word or that sentence. And to use it, you basically type Console.ReadLine, and if you print it out, you see if you type frost, it's going to print out frost back. Those are the three input methods available in C#, and you can do a lot with them. But at this point, you can get your input, but there's no place to save it as. So if you want to know more about that, you can hit the post notification button to not miss out on the next video, and please like and subscribe. And if you have any friends that love programming too, you can share this video with them. Love you guys, and I will catch you guys later.